How to change language in your Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change language on your Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and you're gonna find settings. Click on it. And here you have language. Click on it and choose the language you want. Once you choose the language, just click on the check icon and this is it. They're gonna change your language forever. For example, this one. Wait for a second and they're gonna change your language. Cancel, and this is it. Easy and quick. So this is it, guys. So easy. Go to your profile, click on settings, you're gonna find language and change it, and don't forget to subscribe and like if this is work.